Swamiji, thank you for all these beautiful experiences and darshans that we are having here in Antigua and Barbuda in Paramashivasena UNM program. Yesterday darshan was an amazing experience. How you took us from this buloka, this dimension, to the higher lokas. It was the most divine, pure, profound, silence, peaceful experience, what we experienced yesterday while being in Maha Kailasa. Thank you, Swamiji, for that Nirvikalpa Samadhi experience. I just want this experience to be experienced by many others, because there is no way we can reach and be in that inner, blissful, peaceful space without the initiation of the Supreme Pontiff of Hinduism, who is an avatar, who has the capacity, the mission to raise us, all of us, because he's a Jagat Guru, a guru for the world, how to awaken in us that oneness, Paramadvaita, that higher possibility, that enlightenment that is our nature.